English. How are you all? Hope you are well and safe at home. If you are a newcomer to my channel, please subscribe it, hit the bell icon, like it and share it. I am also active on Instagram. If any query, you can contact me there also. I'll give the link in the description box. So without getting late, let's get started. Today I'll teach you 30 words within 5 minutes. It sounds very interesting, right? 30 words within 5 minutes. So we शुरू करते हैं. Our first word is laxity. Laxity. It's a noun. Laxity मतलब ढिलाई, शिथिलता. ढिले मुबा शिथिलता जेटाके बोले. Okay? The synonyms are slackness. Slackness, slack, lethargy. It's Y, okay? Lethargy and lassitude. Lassitude. Okay? The antonyms are activeness. Activeness, animation. Activeness, animation, liveliness. Liveliness. Okay? Move to the next one. The next word is ostentatious. Ostentatious. It's an adjective. Okay? It's an adjective that means दिखावटी. तार माने कि लोग देखानोर जोन्नो. जेटा আমরা লোক দেখাই করি বা दिखावटी जो हम करते हैं, that is called ostentatious. Ostentatious, the synonyms are pretentious, okay, flamboyant, okay, pretentious, flamboyant, showy, say it showy, मतलब बहुत दिखावा करता है, showy and assuming, okay. So these are synonyms. For writing antonyms, I have to clear my board. Okay. Now ostentatious. Ostentatious का जो हम देख रहे थे synonyms, अब हम antonyms में जाते हैं. Antonyms are unassuming और होगा unpretentious. Un लगा देने से, जो कि एक prefix है, वो लगा देने से हो जाएगा unpretentious. Okay. Move to the third one. Third one is instigate. Instigate है, it's an adjective. That means what? That means उकसाना, किसी को उकसा देना. कहा कि उश्काना, that is called instigate. The synonyms are incite, provoke करना किसी को, provoke, okay, foment, उसके बाद we can say the next one is trigger, उकसा देना किसी को, actuate, okay, so actuate. Antonyms क्या होंगे इसके? Antonyms होंगे placate, okay, placate. It is not placate. It's placate. Okay. मैं ऐसे आपको सिखा रही हूँ. I will tell you about phonetics also in my next course. Okay. So placate होता है pacify. So now let me again clear my board. Okay, the final one. The fourth one is embarrass. It is a verb. Embarrass means विब्रतो करा, किसी को शर्मिंदा करना. Okay, शर्मिंदा करना या विब्रतो करा. The synonyms are humiliate, bash, a bash. Okay. And antonyms are embolden, embolden, encourage, encourage. Okay. So this is my video. Please, if you आपको अगर कोई information लग रही है, if you get that it is worthy, then please give it a like and of course share it. It will help you a lot, and besides that, any other people also. It will help. It can help them. So for today it is enough. Tata, Jai Hind.